Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best outdoor sectionals on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Voco 5-Piece Outdoor Sectional Set. Elevate your outdoor living space with the Voco 5-Piece Outdoor Sectional Set. This all-weather outdoor sectional is perfect for your patio, deck, or garden. With high-quality thickened seat and back cushions, you'll enjoy extraordinary comfort whether you're sitting or lying down. The durable solid frame and wicker construction can withstand all weather variations. Not only that, but the cushions are also water-resistant and easy to clean. What we like about it: great for entertaining during warmer months. Made from chic and stylish wicker rattan. Comfortable to sit on for long periods. Easy to move and rearrange. What we don't like about it: cushions slip easily. Number 2. Kolovic Outdoor Sectional Sofa Set. Transform your outdoor living space with the Kolovic Outdoor Sectional Sofa Set. This luxurious 6-piece furniture set includes 5 seats with navy blue cushions for maximum comfort and a stunning tempered glass coffee table for added convenience. Crafted from premium rattan wicker, the outdoor sectional is weather-resistant for year-round use and easy to clean. Enjoy hosting backyard gatherings with friends and family in style with this gorgeous set. What we like about it: Velcro holds seat cushions in place. Back cushions tie back to prevent shifting. Ultra-thick cushions are extremely comfortable. Height and backrest provides more support. What we don't like about it: the fabric material is very slick. Number 3. Pamapix 7-Piece Outdoor Sectional Set. Transform your outdoor space with the versatile and comfortable Pamapix 7-Piece Outdoor Sectional Set. This weather-resistant furniture set provides everything you need for a relaxing and stylish outside seating area, including a modular rattan sofa and a sleek coffee table. With its classic look and durable construction, this outdoor sectional is perfect for your backyard, patio, pool, or garden. What we like about it: has an adjustable lounging feature. Pieces are easy to rearrange. What we don't like about it: cushions may require frequent rotation. Number 4. Rattanner 4-Piece Outdoor Sectional. Relax in style and comfort while enjoying the fresh air with the Rattanner 4-Piece Outdoor Sectional. This outdoor sofa set includes 2 L-shaped love seats and 2 ottomans, complete with khaki cushions for added comfort. One of the ottomans even transforms into a beautiful tempered glass coffee table that's perfect for placing snacks or drinks. The outdoor sectional can be arranged in a variety of layouts to match any decor. Crafted from all-weather wicker and an anti-rust steel frame, this modular sofa set is built to last. What we like about it: adds more flexibility to your patio. Solid and dependable construction. Relatively easy to assemble. What we don't like about it: difficult to fit cushions into the covers. Number 5. Best Choice Products 5-Piece Outdoor Sectional for Patio. The Best Choice Products 5-Piece Outdoor Sectional lets you create a variety of arrangements and styles to meet your outside entertainment needs. Featuring high-quality wicker tightly woven around a sturdy, rust-resistant steel frame, this seating set is durable and built to last. A coffee table topped with tempered glass is also included to provide a convenient surface to rest snacks and beverages. What we like about it: pieces are clearly labeled for easy assembly. Screw holes are lined up very well. What we don't like about it: height may be uncomfortable for taller individuals. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.